Hi, I'm Stephen Webster. I'd like to welcome you to 12 Hampden Street in Rivervale. This modern 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home has just been recently renovated. Plus, it's got 2 living areas, one for you, one for the kids. And the backyard, just big enough for the kids, but not too big that you spend the whole weekend cleaning it up. So come on in, enjoy the tour. Hi, welcome back. Hope you've enjoyed your tour of 12 Hampden Street in Rivervale. As you know, top-end homes means we're only a few minutes walk to the river, 10 minutes to the city and 10 minutes to the airport. For more details of the property, please call my mobile. And as you know, the next viewing time is on the Burke's website.